In this lecture, we are going to talk about something every language needs: variables and constants. These are the building block for any program. Once you master it, or you master them in Go, you will feel way more confident writing real code. Go is a statically typed language, meaning every variable has a type. Here are some built-in type like string, we define it inside a double quote, int for integer, and boolean. In addition, Go define constant, their values doesn't change. We use const keyword instead of var. Let's head over to VS Code, and we have here a constant called pi, and and assigned, which we assign the value. So constant must be assigned when declared, they are immutable, and they are common for defining configuration. Let's dive into one of the most common things you will do in any Go program, which is defining variables. In Go, you have two main ways to do this, using var or using the short variable declaration. They are both similar, but the difference between them really matters. Let's start using the var keyword and define a message variable of type string. If we hover into the message variable, VS Code point out that this variable is declared and not used. And this is one of the semantic rules in Go. Every variable you define, you need to use it later on in your code. We can use it in fmt.println function, and we can use the short variable declaration for defining an edge variable. I will give it the value 20, and same for message. I need to use this variable later in my code. So there are many differences between using var keyword and between the short variable declaration. The var keyword are used very often when we want to have variables defined at the package level. For example, I can have a first name variable of type string, obviously defined at the package level. I can assign the value here or in the main function. I can give it that value Jack. The var keyword also used when we want to declare at the package level or declare now and assign the value later, like we did. The short variable declaration are often, or they are used in function level instead. When we want to have a short declaration, and or when we want to create a variable and initialize it in one step. There is one limitation, like I said, for short variable declaration. If you are declaring a variable at the package level, you must use the var keyword instead of just short variable declaration, because it's not legal outside of functions. That's it for this lecture.